Alright, I'm heading into a place to do a little bit of looking. Got a late start on it today because I had to trim trees out of a lift for hours, but got that done, and now I'm heading down to look for some points. I'm gonna do some sifting today. Should be alright for that. So I will get back at you later. Alright, this is what I'm doing. There's not much to dig because it's all mudded in, but there's some rock hung up in these roots here. You can see all the little gravels and stuff, and I got a point on the second screen I just got here. And I'll show you in here first. I saw, like, look, here's a little tiny flake of gray chert from the manufacturer of something. Here's another one right up here, and look at all this burn up fire rock. Let's take it out, see if you can see the point there. Right here. Kind of chunky, kind of crappy, but it's complete, and I'm happy to get one. I had to do some work. Let's see, I thought I saw more flint in here too. This is not, you know, it's an alright thing, you know, you can't complain, but look how thick it is. It's not nearly up to par. It's got a nice red spot on it, I guess, but it's kind of a clunker, but still kind of a nice find, I guess. I'll throw up pictures. I'm gonna look around, but I thought I saw a tin flake. I don't know where it went. It was real small. It might have went through the holes. It was just a flake. But anyway, I'll get back at you. This looks pretty decent. Later. Man, this looks good. No, I haven't been here for several days because I have to work some too. What I do is basically work in the night, and then just make money, and I'm doing it for myself. So then I just pay the bills and just look till it's getting close to get out, then I'll work again. That's what I've been doing. But I turned this on. I was having me a Coke and a Smile there, and walked up on a bone jaw with some teeth in it. I'm gonna take it. I'll take the teeth out and maybe incorporate them into some art. So we'll take this. But I haven't been here for 2 days, like I was saying, and basically there's a good wash and no one's been here. I think I might have potential here. Look at this wash right here in front of me. I just been going real slow and look at it. There's little flakes of flint everywhere. So I'll get back later. Well, I just turned off my phone just like 10 seconds ago, took 25 steps, and there's a point laying out. What the hell, man? Well, anyway, I got so excited when I saw this that I forgot to take pictures, so I got to turn this off. I'll get back and show pictures and pull it out of the ground. I'm back. The point's right there. I think I see another flake of flint right here. Nope, it's a leaf. But man, this looks good. Look at all the little pieces of fire rock, and look, that point right there has come from right up in here. You can see the waves have hit it, and it's, let's look this real quick here and see if we can see anything sticking out. See the cracked up fire rock? This is what you want to look for. Let's pull the point out. I don't see nothing else. Would have been nice to get a twofer there, but we got that other point quick. I found 2 points now in, it's not been 20 minutes, maybe 15. Here it comes. Oh, it's a beauty. It's a nice one. Nice little point, and it's pentagonal. You can see, this is where I find lots of pentagonals, and that's a pentagonal. It just doesn't have the classic shape. It's what it is. And I know this because I find points here a lot and have looked it for years. But that's a good find, man. I like it. Better made than that other one. Later. And I can't believe nobody's walked this. That sure as heck looks like an old milk bottle in the river there to me. Let's pull this up. Oh, that's an old Heinz ketchup bottle. It says the Heinz Company, 1891, right on the bottom. Holy crap, that is cool. It says 1891. Wow, what a find. Man, I didn't expect to find anything. And man, no one's been here on this site. I'll probably have to get this cleaned up more at home, but I wanted you to kind of see the bottom of it. Man, you didn't see, I haven't seen one like this for a while. With this edging. See, it says H.J. Heinz Company, patented June 9th, 1891. Nice find. That'll look good with marbles on it on one of my shelves or something. And that's not screw on. And you can see it's kind of uneven. It's got a chip up here, but that really don't matter, something like that. Later.